Meet the Hanhart Preventor HD12 Silk Purple, a rugged, everyday watch designed to go anywhere, do anything, and now with a bold new twist. Originally launched in 2024, the Preventor HD12 quickly became one of Hanhart's most versatile bestsellers. It was tough, compact, and deliberately simple. Now, this special edition takes the same proven formula and adds a striking matte purple dial, making it as individual as it is robust. The case measures 39 millimeters across, 10.5 millimeters thick, and 46 millimeters lug to lug, hitting that sweet spot for all-day comfort. Crafted from Hanhart's proprietary HD12 steel, hardened through a multi-stage carbon diffusion process, it's 5 times tougher than traditional stainless steel. Add in a transparent PVD coating, a convex sapphire crystal, and you get a surface hardness of over 1,200 Vickers. In other words, a watch built to resist scratches and daily wear. Water resistance, a confident 150 meters. The silk purple dial pairs beautifully with crisp white Arabic numerals and cathedral-style hands. Super Luminova C1 ensures a bright green glow in the dark, while even the slim red-tipped seconds hand is loomed for flawless legibility. It's bold, functional, and unmistakably Hanhart. Inside beats either the Sellita SW200-1 or Soprod P024, both modified to strip away the date complication for a clean, no-nonsense display. Regulated to 0 plus 8 seconds per day, the movement offers hacking seconds, a 38-hour power reserve, and the reliability you want in a modern tool watch. The watch is fitted to a stainless steel bracelet with the same PVD scratch resistance as the case. The clasp hides a smart diver-style extension, adding about a centimeter of on-the-fly adjustability. Limited to 200 pieces worldwide, with 150 reserved for Germany, the Hanhart Preventor HD12 Silk Purple is priced at €1,295. A bold colorway for one of the toughest everyday watches around. If you enjoyed this look at Hanhart's latest release, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our updates on the world's most exciting watches.